Begin in a comfortable seated position. Nice deep inhales through the nose, out through the nose. Feel the belly expand in and out. Maybe take a moment to set an intention for the practice. Maybe it's to fully let go, de-stress, or be more present. Begin rotating your head in a circular motion. Be gentle here. Opposite direction. Feel the clicks, the ticks, take your time. When you're ready, come back to center. Left hand on the mat, place the right hand on your head, gently guiding the right ear to the right shoulder. Back to center. Right hand on the mat. Left hand comes to the head. Gently guide the left ear to the left shoulder. Back to center. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, drop the right palm to the mat. Left hand reaches up overhead for a gentle side stretch. Inhale back to center. Exhale, opposite side. Hands overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Gently come to your back. Knees bent, feet planted on the mat. Allow the knees to open for a supine butterfly. Right hand on belly, left hand on the heart. Option to place a pillow or two under the knees. With every exhale, allow the knees to surrender deeper into the posture. Even if it's just mental, have that intention to let go each time we meet this posture. Relaxing the low back. Allow the upper back to become heavy, shoulders become heavy, melting deeper into the mat. Release, knees to center, right knee remains bent. Go ahead and throw the left leg. Stacking your hips, drop the right knee towards the left side of the mat. Back remains flat, Feel free to stack some pillows underneath that right knee. Inhale back to center, straightening the right leg. Left knee drops to the right side of the mat. Option to place some pillows under the left knee. Back to center. Hug knees to chest. Begin working the knees in a circular motion. Play around here. Gently come to your knees. Hips to heels, hands walking towards the top of the mat. Melt the chest forward for child's pose. Forehead or cheek meets the mat. Take your time, work through the body here, the shoulders, the neck, the low back and hips. Nice deep inhale. Allow the hips and shoulders to become heavy here. Next, inhale, release. Tops of hands resting on the thighs, palms facing up and open. Take a moment here. Give gratitude, offer love out into the world, and allow yourself to receive love in return. Nice deep inhale, hands come overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center. Namaste.